Hello, welcome to next session. In this session, we will solve some thermodynamics question. The topic is refrigeration and air conditioning. Question number one is a Carnot cycle refrigerator operates between 250 Kelvin and 300 Kelvin. Its coefficient of performance is option A 6, option B 5, option C 1.2, option D zero point 0.8. So maximum temperature is 300 Kelvin and minimum temperature is 250 Kelvin. So COP of refrigerator is refrigerating effect by Burton, and so it will be Q2 by, suppose Q2 is the heat ejected to lowest heat taken from the lowest temperature. Okay, so that is Q2, and work done is Q1 minus Q2. Q1 is the heat rejected to hot reservoir. Okay, and for Carnot cycle it is equal to T2 by T1 minus T2. So here T2 is your 250 and T1 is maximum temperature is 300. So COP is your 5. So answer is option B 5. Okay. Next, an industrial heat pump operates between the temperatures of 27 degrees Celsius and minus 13 degrees Celsius. The rate of heat addition and heat rejection are 750 watt and 1000 watt respectively. The COP of heat pump is, so as the heat addition and heat rejection are given, so we will consider these Q1 and Q2. Okay, not like T, not like the previous question T2 and T1, because this COP is for ideal cycle. Okay, so when heat addition and rejection are given, then it is the actual COP. So COP of heat pump is heating effect divided by work done. So heating effect is Q1. Okay, heat addition is Q1, and work done is Q1 minus Q2. That is 1000 minus 750. So COP of heat pump will be 1000 divided by 250. Okay, so answer is for option C. Okay, next, a heat engine having an efficiency of 70% is used to drive a refrigerator having a coefficient of performance of 5. The energy absorbed from low temperature reservoir by the refrigerator for each kilojoule of energy absorbed from high temperature source by the engine is option A 0.14 kilojoule, option B 0.71 kilojoule, option C 3.5 kilojoule, and option D 7.1 kilojoule. Okay, so this is the engine, and this is your heat pump. Here Q1 is heat taken from hot reservoir, and Q2 is your heat rejected from rejected to cold reservoir, and work done is W is equal to Q1 minus Q2, and now Q3 is heat taken from the cold reservoir for refrigeration, and Q4 is heat rejected to another hot reservoir. Okay, so as efficiency of engine is given as 70%, so W will be 0.7 of Q1, because this is work done, this is heat spread. Okay, and COP of refrigerator is cooling effect or refrigerating effect divided by work done, and work done is 0.7 Q1, and cooling or refrigerating effect is Q3. So COP of refrigerator will be Q3 by 0.71 Q1, and COP of refrigerator is given as 5. So Q3 by Q1 will be your 3.5 kilojoule. Sorry, it should be Q1 for 1 kilojoule of energy absorbed for for Q1 to be 1. Okay, then the Q3 should be 3.5. Okay, next option C is the right. Question 4, 1 ton of refrigeration is equivalent to option A 3.5 kilowatt, B 50 kilojoule per second, C 1000 joule per minute, D 1000 kilojoule per minute. So one ton of radiation is equivalent to the production of cold at the rate at which heat is removed from 1 ton of ice of water at 0 degree Celsius to freeze it to be ice at 0 degree Celsius in 1 day or 24 hours. So it is equal to by taking measurement of heat of fusion of ice and by taking 24 days or 24 hours. Okay, we can calculate there that can calculate the heat 1 ton radiation as equal to 211 kilojoule per minute, or it is in kilowatt it is 3.5167 kilowatt. So that we have to remember that 1 ton of radiation in further questions in that 1 ton of radiation is equal to 3.5 kilowatt. Okay, so answer is this option A. One question number 5. A 1 ton capacity water cooler cools water steadily from 35 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. The specific heat of water is 4.18 kilojoule per kilogram per degree. The water flow rate will be nearly option A 13.33 liter per hour, B 33.3 liter per hour, C 400 liter per hour, and D 250 per liter. So the specific heat of water is 4.18 kilojoule per kilogram and 1 ton of radiation is 3.5 kilowatt. Okay, and inlet temperature is 35 and exit temperature is 20. Now this now it is given that 1 ton of water cooler cools the water steadily. Okay, so this much of energy is available, and this energy available is 1 ton of ice, that is 3.5, and it cools the water from T1 to T2. So M is Cp is 4.18 kilojoule per kilogram, and so from this we can calculate M. So M is 3.5167 divided by 4.18 divided by 5. So that mass flow rate is 0.05608 kilogram per second. Okay, or in hour, that is per second. So per hour it will be multiplied by 3600. So it will come out as 201.91 kilogram per hour. Okay, so in liter it will be approximately, because 1 kilogram of water is equal to 1 liter. So approximately it is 200 liter per hour. So answer is option C.